Hello class, this week in the discussions Data Everywhere, you'll be looking at a set of data and you will use some of the techniques found in Chapter 12 to analyze the data. You will discuss your conclusions with your classmates based on the statistics you develop. After you evaluate a set of statistics, you'll have an Excel spreadsheet with 50 unique sets of data. You will need to construct a frequency data table. On the first slide, you will see a link that breaks down the steps for you on how to construct a frequency table in Excel. So you'll copy and paste this link into a new web browser, and then you'll just follow the steps, and that will show you how to construct this frequency table. Now I want to go over finding the mean, because that's another thing that you'll need to do. To find the mean, we need to add up all the numbers and divide by how many numbers there are. I have provided 7 numbers for you. The first thing you need to do is add up all these numbers. This equals 442. Since there are 7 numbers to add up, we would divide our result, 442, and divide it by 7. And it comes out to be 63.14285714. We'll round this to the nearest hundredth, and this is how you'd find the mean. So 63.14 is your mean. The next thing we'll do and learn is to find the mode. When we look for the mode, we look for the number that occurs the most. In this case, it is 62 because it comes up twice. What happens if there's more than one set of numbers? You can have more than one mode. So if there were 2 62s and I added another 95 in there and we had 2 95s, there would be 2 modes. 62 would be a mode and the 95. The last thing you need to do this week is to find the standard deviation. The first thing you need to do is find the mean. But in this case, we've already figured it out on the past slide. The mean is 63.14. The next step we need to do is find the variance. We find the variance by calculating the difference from the mean for each number. So let's look at the example. Notice the first number is 35. You will take 35 and minus the mean. The mean is 63.14. Keep it squared. Then add the next number from up above. 42 minus the mean, 63.14. You'll continue this whole process through all 7 numbers. Okay, and you can see the example down here below. You'll solve by squaring the numbers and then writing them down. So you'll solve all these. You'll write them down. Here are our results. So negative 28.14 squared comes out to be 791.86. Negative 21.14 squared comes out to be 446.90. The last step will be to average the results. So you will take all these numbers, you will add them up, and you'll divide by 7 since there are 7 numbers. Our result is 368.41. The last step in finding the standard deviation is to square the variance. So the variance was 368.41. Square it, that's our square root sign. It comes out to be 19.194000948. If you round it to the nearest hundredth, it comes out to be 19.19. So our standard deviation is 19.19. Let me know if you have any further questions on how to figure out these measures, or if there's any questions in regards to this PowerPoint. I am here to help. Thanks.